Hey, little baby. Hey, little guy. What's up? Wearing your I Love Daddy t-shirt? Yeah. And there's the dog, huh? Today you're 1 month and 1 day old. What do you think about that, huh? Is that so? Don't really care, huh? What is this thing? Huh? It's a video camera. So you can see this when you're older. And so mommy can watch it and think, what a cute little guy. Huh? When you're 16 and you're just into bad stuff, mommy will watch this. Yes, she will. But she loves you. You're the best baby. Haven't really learned this pacifier thing yet, huh? No. Not really. I love you, little guy. Yes, I do. Trying to wave at the camera. Yeah. And you're wearing your camel pants, too. Mommy can just get this off. Look at that, little camel pants and those socks. Yeah. Kind of tired, huh? Oh. You're the cutest baby. Yes, you are. How about some bouncing? I know you like that. Maybe we can get a smile out of you. Or is that only for pooping? What's up with the frowny face? With the frowny face, huh? With the frowny face.